Hi guys and welcome to my channel. My name is Linda and I love fashion. Today we're gonna do one of the shortest unboxing of all YouTube as usual. I've bought a new pair of shoes. I know you know what it is because I told it to you in the title. It's some Melissas in collabs with Y Project. So what is the story behind the shoes? Honestly, I think that in fashion, I'm a shoe girl, you know, I love shoes and since ever, and this is what I have the most, I think, in terms of fashion, in terms of collection. Also, I collect a lot of shoes. Anyways, as usual, it all started with Ssense, which is the best, if you ask me, the best online luxury retailer. So yeah, I'm not sponsored by them. They should, because all the money that I earn, it's for them. Anyways, I was hanging out on the website of Ssense and it's been maybe 3-4 months that I'm considering buying this pair of shoes. So I had COVID, if you are not aware of that. Everybody knows it. Okay, seriously. So yeah, I had recently had COVID, and when I saw that my test was negative, I was so happy that I don't know what happened. I made like a huge purchase on Ssense. Well, I bought like a couple of things on Ssense. So yeah, I was like, okay, one life, we never know. You wanted the shoes, buy them. So the shoes come in this box, and I think that Melissa is a Brazilian brand, and originally I wanted those shoes from them. In French we called it nouilles, which is the literal translation of noodles. And when you are little kids, you go to, like, I don't know, the beach, or you know, you go to holidays, your parents will purchase that for you. And I even considered to buy like one of the shoes, but in black for summer. Anyways, maybe later, another purchase, who knows. So yeah, let's unbox this baby. So yeah, I was saying that I think also the brand is kind of eco-responsible, like this type of stuff. Honestly, like, I'm not into that, so it's not like a huge criteria of purchasing for me. I know it's bad, but this is what it is. I'm honest with you guys. But yeah, I think the packaging represents like this kind of vibe, or let's say this kind of branding, you know. The name of the shoes is the Melissa court shoes. Yeah, court shoes, and they wear so well their name. Anyways, when you open it, you have like this kind of crafty paper. And the first thing that I noticed is the smell. It has a delicate, like, I don't know if their shoes is scented or not, or if it's the paper, I don't know what's up, or if it's the material that they do their shoes with, but it smells super sweet and nice. I don't know how to explain it. Let me know in the comments if you know what's up with the scent. But yeah, are you ready for the shoe? So cool. They are like just like Cinderella shoes, you know what I mean? And these are mine. The only thing that I'm worried about is like the color. I think is going to be quite messy, but that's all right, because basically it's a statement piece. I project to wear them like just for one season or so, and then I will maybe purchase another one or buy something else, you know. So that's the shoes. Let's try them on. The first thing that I can say is that it's super comfortable and easy to work with, you know. You don't have to grab with your toes the shoe, so you don't lose like the shoe. This is what happened most of the time with mules, you know. And because in my previous video, life update videos, I said that I will work more my videos, I will show you right now the styling. So yeah, how would I wear the shoes with? First of all, with my Margiela baggy pants, that's for sure. And I find it so cute, so like coherent with the vibe of the shoes. I really like this look. Then second outfit with this mini skirt from Mango, and for the top I will imagine my Y3 project heart, cut out heart top. Oh my god, that was hard to say. Or another variation, it's the skirt with my 032C knit, white knit top. I'm thinking of a third outfit, and I don't know. And then I think that's it. But basically, I think that it's a statement piece. You know what I mean? So whenever you feel like it, you have a simple outfit, a simple silhouette, and you pop this. It's a killer look, killer vibe, killer everything. So yeah, guys, this was my little review unboxing of my Melissa Court shoes. I hope you liked it. Let me know in the comment down below what you think about it. Also, I will put the link of the shoes, like where you can purchase them. I definitely recommend them to you if you are hesitating, because one, the price is nice, you know, it's not that expensive for like a good looking shoes, seriously. Second of all, it's unique. Nobody will have the same pair as you, that's for sure. Third point, it smells super nice, like strawberry-ish, red berries scent to it. 4, it's super comfortable. And 5, like, these are queen shoes from Versailles, you know? It's Marie Antoinette shoes. So yeah, that was it for me, guys. And I leave you with that. Take care, and I see you in the next video. Bye.